Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So, no fucking around today. As you can see, we're going to go straight into it. Bitcoin is down 1.5%. XRP is down 2.8%. And Ethereum is down 1.53%. Now, we're going to take a look at some of the main headlines today. What's making the news. And I'm going to show you a couple of little things that's going on in our Discord group. But first up, the whale who had a short at 40x for $516 million has closed his position and pocketed $9.4 million. Bitcoin whale has closed over $500 million in short positions, betting on Bitcoin's price decline ahead of the much-awaited Fed announcement this week. That is tomorrow. Federal Reserve will be announcing if they're going to raise interest rates or reduce interest rates. It looks like the moment that nothing's going to happen, and we're going to be staying as we are. But this guy made nearly $10 million in profit after closing a 40x leverage short position, 6,210 Bitcoin. Absolutely insane. You can see it here. Closed out this morning. And with that, let me just show you this. We did get, this is when the short was closed, and as you can see, we had a little pump of 0.59%. Market started to go up. We've come back down again, and we'll go through the charts in a second. So another interesting article that's in the news today is this millionaire trader who nailed Bitcoin's 84K has now targeted 444K. So back in November, popular millionaire trader Josh Mandel, he is Josh Man on Twitter. I would highly recommend you go and follow him. He puts up some great posts and great logic behind his thinking. But he posted a rather cryptic post with the price mark prediction of 84K on the 14th of March. After closing at this price, Bitcoin will then soar to 444K. He outlines the logic behind this in his Twitter account. Go have a look at him. Go see what he's talking about. But yeah, let's head over and have a look at Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Where are we today? So this is the hourly Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, this was the move earlier with the closing out of that short. Is 0.87% move upwards, but we did get rejected here at this level, and I'm going to show you that in a second. This is our experimental charts. We're combining AI and a couple of different strategies into this. So far, it's given us a return of 400%, but it is highly, highly volatile. Let me go back to this chart. This is the S&P 500. As you can see, nowadays, Bitcoin is highly correlated to this. We did have 2 days in a row after the bloodbath of last week, 2 days in the positive. Now, we do have a lot of geopolitical stuff going on today, so I wouldn't be surprised if we find a pullback here. Still, overall trend is downwards on this, and we need to be looking out for the Federal Reserve decisions tomorrow also. There's a lot of outside elements here that are likely to push this down further. But yeah, overall, we have had 2 days of positive trading. Is the daily S&P. Now, let me just show you our Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin chart, the daily. As you can see, we're still on a downward trend here. All our indicators up here, our oscillators and our moving averages are giving a strong sell indication. As you can see, yesterday we were in positive territory, but we didn't really make any progress, getting rejected at about 84500. That seems to be a fairly important level here. So to me, it's likely we'll come back down, and before we see any moves up, if we see any moves up. But if I show you the 4 hourly, as you can see, since the 9th of March, we've been pretty much going sideways here. And yesterday, we did try to take out that 84500 level. We got rejected. So we could just as easily come back down to the 8,000 range. And as you can see, all our indicators are very negative on the 4 hourly. So to be quite honest, there's no real change here. I wouldn't be taking any trades at this point, to be quite honest with you. We got to see how this plays out over the next few days and weeks. Don't forget, there's also the White House effect nowadays. and that can have a huge bearing on price action. Now, one more thing to look at. Gold is at a new all-time high, breaking the 3,000 barrier. We're at $3,026. The reason I mention it is because over on our Discord, we do have a gold trader in there. So if you're interested in trading gold, head over to our Discord and ask as many questions as you want. I've never been a huge gold trader. I have traded it on occasions, but it's not something that I trade regularly. But if it is of interest to you, join us on Discord. All the links are in the description, and we'll be more than happy to help over there. And one final thing on our VIP area, we have had some signals come in this morning. With a long come in, it's not that long ago actually, on Solana. Let's have a quick look at Solana. Currently at 124. Let's have a look at what that was called at. So the entry was called at 121. The first take profit was 122. The second take profit was 124. Goes all the way up to 135. So these come in every day. They come from the BY DeFi signal bot. And we have an announcement section also. So a new pairings usually goes in there. American analysis comes in every morning if you're interested in that. And as you can see, this was this morning's analysis. And just confirming what I was saying, over the past week, Bitcoin has exhibited a typical convergence oscillation pattern, with its price center maintaining a narrow fluctuation range between 82,000 to 85,000. The amplitude has narrowed to 3.6%, indicating stalemate between bullish and bearish forces at key levels. And that is pretty much what I was trying to get across when we were looking at Bitcoin earlier. So guys, that does it for today's video. These are supposed to be short and sweet. Just a quick update on what is happening in the markets. I've probably gone on far too long. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Hope to see you guys over on our Discord. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.